Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about seed production. Seed production is the process of growing and harvesting seeds from plants for use in agriculture. Seeds are the foundations of agriculture, and high quality seeds are essential for a successful crop. Firstly, it's important to select the right seed variety that is suited for your region's climate and soil type. Farmers need to be careful to choose seeds that are genetically modified and free from diseases and pests. Choosing the seeds is most important in farming. Once the seeds have been selected, farmers need to grow the plants in a controlled environment. They have to ensure that they receive the right amount of water, nutrients, and sunlight. This is done to ensure that the plants are healthy and that the seeds produced are of high quality. After plants have matured, it's time to harvest the seeds. This is done by cutting the plants at the base and collecting the seed pods. The pods are then threshed to remove the seeds from the plant material. Next, the seeds need to be cleaned to remove any debris or impurities. This is done using a series of screens and filters that remove any foreign material from the seeds. Finally, the seeds are tested to ensure that they meet the required standards. The tests include checking the germination rate, seed purity, and seed viability. In conclusion, seed production is a complex process that requires a careful planning, attention to detail, and a lot of hard work. High quality seeds are essential for a successful crop, and farmers need to take every step necessary to ensure that they produce the best seeds possible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.